my God. No, that's tough.
All right, Steph, what do you think this PC is going to look like? Give me your expectations.
I got high expectations. I got high expectations, but I really don't know. Shit, I gave Fox a theme, and that was it. He told me they're gonna get me right. So.
All right. So what was the theme?
Well, Lightning McQueen was the theme.
Lightning McQueen?
Yeah. So
why?
We're gonna see. I like Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, I mean, who doesn't, dude?
Who doesn't?
Fast as lightning?
Who doesn't?
Nacho, what do we got going on today, dude?
Just building the desk first. We got a Bryofrost. There's like a Elite 120. It's a sit-stand desk from desktop. And then we got a chair we're gonna set up, then we'll be all good to go. Elgato hooked us up with a whole bunch of stuff. We got a Wave DX, we got a low profile arm, we got Stream Deck Plus, we got 2 key lights, the big ones. They hooked us up with a lot of good stuff. Shout out Elgato.
All right, bro.
A little nervous, I ain't gonna lie.
Look at this, dude. Why are you nervous?
I don't know.
Think we didn't do you right? And
Oh my God. Nah, that's tough.
You wanted like a greeting,
Oh
right?
my
Ciao, baby.
yeah, there you go. Give me a ka-chow.
Those are real.
Oh my.
Ka-chow, let's go, baby.
Nah, that's tough. I ain't gonna lie.
Even the controller?
Nah, this is hard.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's tough.
Glad you like it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Appreciate it. Thank you for the opportunity, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'm just a camera guy, dude.
Oh yeah, the camera.
I mean, I set up a little bit, but I'm just a camera guy.
You want to power this baby up?
Hell yeah.
Show you how to turn it on and stuff? Power button's right there.
Just nah, that's just tough. That's just mad tough.
This is our chassis design. So we designed our own chassis. This is actually something that we sell on our website, do a limited run of it. Figured with the timing, it'd be perfect to have you included on this limited run with our ISO chassis. In terms of the water cooling, because this is like a fully water cooled system. So all the red fluid you see here, that's going through the radiator right here, and then through the RAM, the RAM's water cooled as well, and then the CPU as well. Being that you wanted a Lightning McQueen build, I was like, you know what? Because I'm a gearhead myself, and I was like, you know, I've always kind of thought like the dual reservoirs could be exhaust in like other builds. I'm like, well, let's just like actually fuse the thing. You know what I mean? Like actually just do it. So pulled this off, and honestly,
Came out fire though.
yeah, man, I'm glad you like it.
Shit, that's probably the best part.
Hell yeah. And I really enjoy the control hanger too, especially with like the themed controller and all that stuff. So ASUS sponsored this build, and so they've got their X870i gaming Wi-Fi motherboard with an AMD Ryzen 9800X3D. So you're getting best of the best for gaming. You've got ASUS's RTX 5080 Tough, which Nacho themed the hell out of, full repaint. And then we've got the ASUS STRIX 1200 watt power supply. We've got custom cables from our friends over at Cablemon, which is a perfect pairing with our ISO chassis. And then we've got all the water cooling taken care of by our friends out in Bits Power, and they're a Taiwanese company who completely have revolutionized water cooling as a whole. We've just kind of created an amalgam of different kinds of parts and brands that really mesh well together. Ended up turning out to be a really cool build. Hope you enjoy it.
Nah, it's fire. That shit was crazy. I didn't understand half what you just said. That's crazy though.
A lot of these projects we couldn't do without their support, you know? And so like they sponsored, you know, like most of this build is fully sponsored. And we just we design it and we put it together, you know? So they wouldn't come to fruition if it wasn't for our sponsors. So it's really cool that they're able to support us on these kinds of things.
Sure.
These guys want to sponsor a brand new streamer. Get in early, you know? All right, man, what do you think of the setup?
Man, it's fire, bro. Definitely past expectations. I think the exhaust is probably the best part, but yeah, I love the build. It's mad tough. I really didn't know what to expect. I mean, I had a PC already. It was like a box PC, so I'm like, in my mind, I'm just thinking it's gonna be painted on it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it came out crazy.
Yeah, so we're just wrapping up the build here for Stephon. Big shout out to ASUS for making this happen. They hooked us up with all the peripherals and all the parts for the PC pretty much. Monitor as well. We got our friends over at Scuff that sent over the controller, and we had desktop that provided the desk and the chair. And Elgato hooked us up with all the streaming gear. So none of this would be possible without our partners, and huge shout out to Stephon for making this possible for us and giving us the opportunity to hook him up with this. So this is our second NBA player that we work with, and maybe we have another one soon. Keep you guys posted.